Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to fix my computer. So nagpalit ako ng component sa aking CPU kaya it was damaged already. The video card and also the hard disk. Pakita ko sa inyo kung anong ginagawa ko nitong pagkakabit ulit. So, tinanggal ko lahat ng mga hardwares and also the wires. These wirings here, mga connectors like inputs pa mga here is in the front here, connectors sa headphone jack, microphone, and also there's a SD card reader. So, ito ang ginagawa ko ngayon. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ang pagkabit ulit ng mga hardwares niya. So ito yung memory. So the memory is still working very good because na-check ko lahat ng kung nasaan ang problema. So I found out that the video card is the problem and yung hard disk hindi na siya ma-detect sa BIOS yung hard disk. So it's totally dead. So here kakabit ko ang RAM muna. So be sure na pagkabit nyo sa RAM, you will hear the click sound like this. Then it's fully secure and locked. Now kabit na yung memory. The processor is here. Yung fan niya. There's another fan here. And this power supply here, 650 watts. And nung nasira yung video card ko, so ang ginawa ko, I used the built-in video card here in the motherboard, which is located here. Let's see. So this motherboard's name is from Samsung brand. It's a H61S1 model. So here's the video card. It's a 1GB DDR5 GTX 650 and okay din to pang gaming. Mataas na ang ang graphics capacity niya for graphics acceleration. So it has a HDMI. You can connect here. So kung i-direct mo na lang siya ikabit, you can use it here. So ngayon kakabit ko na tong video card para matapos na. There you go. Locked and loaded. No, it's not locked yet. Again, I have to screw it. Put a screw on it. So, i-secure natin na hindi siya mag-alog. You must have to keep it on stable. You have to stabilize it. Kasi pag once mag-alog-alog itong video card, may tendency na it won't work very well, or sometimes hindi siya mag-display or pwede sa maka-damage ulit sa video card. So here is the connector here. Power connector, ADX power connector. So kakabit ko na. Ayan. So it is already connected. Power connector. So be sure na yung fan, yung wires should be all in the right place, that it won't sasabit dito sa fan. And this one here, kailangan ng power supply din ang video card, so this one will be connected here. There you are. So all set. This is the SATA. So apat ang SATA niya. The yellow one is really mostly for a primary connector. So diyan natin ikabit ang hard disk. Now we're done here. So I'm going to connect the hard disk. So by the way, here's the CD-ROM and it's already here connected to SATA number 2. So I'm gonna get the hard disk. So ito yung hard disk na binili ko. Pinalitan ko ng Hitachi model, 500 GB. So pretty decent na makasave ka of many files, or install games. So kakabit na natin muna to. bira ko na lang kasi tumagamit na CPU ko dahil palagi kong gamit ang laptop. O baka nagtampo siya dahil hindi ko na nagamit. So, when I turn it back on, yun na, hindi na siya nagana. So, I check all the parts inside. Nilinisan ko, and also the RAM. Kala ko sa RAM ang problema. So, then, the hard disk, hindi na niya ma-detect. And then, nagsabay pa sa video card, hindi na siya mag-play. I mean, no more display. Kaya ginamit ko ang built-in na lang na video card. Already set. The hard disk is already here. So, kakabit ko na to dito sa gilid. There you are. So, dito may screw din siya ikakabit. I'm gonna leave it there for a while. Kasi pag mag-troubleshooting, because the next step gagawin ko nito, mag-install ng operating system. The old operating system na naka-install nito dati is Windows 7. And I'm planning to change it into Windows 10. So, here it is. Kakabit natin ang power ng hard disk. This is the power connector para sa hard disk. There you are. It's already connected now. And also the cable for the SATA. Here it is. Dito sa kabilang tabi niya, sa tabi, kakabit yung cable. There you go. And this one into this yellow port. So which is the primary, the SATA 1 primary port. So ito na siya. We're all set and done. So maliit lang siya na klaseng ATX tower casing type. So this one here, you see this battery. The purpose of that is yan ang nagsa-store, continuous yung time at saka date niya. So if that battery is not working, every time na mag-turn on ka sa computer, permi kong mag-set of time, kaya wala na maggana. So you need also to change it. Nagkuha na siya. Hindi na mag-continuous ang time and date niya. Malalaman mo rin din kasi every time you turn on the computer, the date and time, always na hindi na siya nakaset. So that's it. It's already done. Na-assemble ko na ulit lahat ng mga components niya. So the next part na gagawin ko, mag-install ng operating system. So I'm planning to install it Windows 10. Here is the front. The processor is Core i5. So it's Windows 7. Windows 7 naka-install dati. And here is the front. There's a connector here. There's some port, mic, headphone, 2 USB ports. Pwede din siya makagamit ng micro SD, XD, SD. There's many ports here that you can choose to connect. Here is the CD-ROM. So I will see you next video on my installation of the operating system. Salamat sa pag-watch mga guys. So next time I will see you there and hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye.